I'm walking into a little breeze. Hopefully you can hear me okay. Try and cover up the microphone here. So this is it. It is finally open. The brand new Wisconsin Hotel here in Wisconsin Dells by exit 92. And I am going to meet up with one of the owners. That's a part of the family that owns a bunch of the hotels and some of the restaurants you're probably familiar with if you come to Wisconsin Dells. And she's going to give us a tour of the hotel, what they have done to this place, which is pretty much everything from when it used to be the Wintergreen Hotel, and how they are expanding on it, how they've created their own brand, what is yet to come for this place. Oh yeah, there's a lot that's going on, and we have an opportunity to go through a couple of the rooms so you can see what they look like, and I'll tell you about what's coming in the future as well. So let's go check out the brand new Wisconsin Hotel. Come on.
Subscribe to Maverick.
So this is room 227 at the brand new Wisconsin Hotel right here in Wisconsin Dells, located at exit 92. This place is beautiful. Check this out. Look at how comfortable that bed looks. Nice king size bed. These rooms are so Wisconsin, and I'm going to show you all of the Wisconsin touches as we go along. I'll do the best I can to show you all. There's just so much Wisconsin in this hotel. They've done such a fantastic job of branding it as a Wisconsin hotel, hence the name, the Wisconsin Hotel. So Egg Harbor Marina, that's in Door County, and we just happen to have a video on the channel of Door County, and you'll find that here on the channel in our library. But look at this room. Look at the size of this TV. That thing is huge, which is actually something I love. When you go to a hotel, you get the nice big TV. So you've got yourself a little workstation if you'll be doing any work here. I love the just the unique lamps that they have and everything in here. Not your typical cookie cutter type of lamp. And a little fridge down here, little microwave up there. And I see that they've got the outlet, which is nice and easy to access, and some USB ports as well, so you're not having to go behind the desk and move things around. Do you ever do that at a hotel? When you get there and there's just not enough electricity or USB ports? Well, that's not a problem here at the Wisconsin Hotel. Look at the old-fashioned phone. And by the way, it's brand new, but look at that. More outlets and USB ports on your nightstands on each side of the bed. And look at the size of this thing. And I'm with one of the owners of the Wisconsin Hotel, and she did not want to come on camera, which is quite okay, but she's allowing me to have access to the rooms here. Look at this. Now, she was just telling me this just came in, these pictures. They just got framed and everything. And just in case you're not 100% on your geography, Wisconsin Dells is basically right there. So we're in South Central Wisconsin. They got the built-in blinds on the doors here, and these are brand new, by the way. And the reason I say that they're brand new is because this used to be the Wintergreen Hotel, and the family, the Waterman family, they bought this hotel a couple of years ago. They ran it one more year as the Wintergreen last year in 24, and then they shut it down in the winter, and they did a complete gut job. Everything came out down to the studs, and they redid everything, including the windows and the patio doors. Oh wow, that slides open nice and easy. That is great. Now, how many hotel rooms do you get to check into where you've got a patio door? Now, this side, obviously, we are facing the parking lot. All of the rooms, they have plenty of seating and some table space on a beautiful night, or maybe early in the morning if you want to come outside, have a drink, and just relax a little bit. You definitely can. I'm just going to shut this door here. And I'm not going to open the blinds. We've got plenty of light in here right now. So, but it is about 90 degrees as I record this. So the temperature in the hotel is perfect, and I don't want to let the AC out. Love the mirror, all this customized woodwork in here. Got the wood floors. I mean, this place is spotless. Let's take a look at the bathroom here. Look at the fixture in here. I really like the design, and they're doing such a Wisconsin and a tribute, paying homage to the state of Wisconsin, including you know, some of the farming and the rural areas, and then there's some also of the city areas as well, which we'll see throughout the hotel. Well, you got to have a cow, and I guess it's appropriate to have a cow with toilet paper on its head. It works. And just like a lot of hotels, they've got you taken care of with your complimentary shower gel and your conditioner and shampoo. Real nice shower. Hey, how's it going? Since we're doing the thumbs up sort of thing, if you'll just take 1 second and give this video a thumbs up, I would appreciate that. That helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Something that's nice also is you can do your getting ready. If there's one person that wants to brush their teeth, maybe put on some makeup, and there's another person in the bathroom, and they've got the barn door. I love these things. They just kind of glide across. How many rooms do you have right now?
There's still 111.
111, okay.
That was the same as with the Wintergreen.
And will you be doing weddings or anything like that in the conference area?
Yes, no, the one conference room over here is room 1848.
I love these barn doors. This is actually a part of the bar for their banquet room. And again, it just all ties in, the lighting, everything. I mean, this is, again, their own brand. This is not a part of a national franchise brand. This family just came up with such a creative concept, and then just they've made it theirs. And as they pay homage to the state of Wisconsin.
It was designed and painted by Eric Broshoff, the art teacher.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. At the school there? Mm-hmm. No kidding.
Yeah, we were looking at what to do, and well, it started, we wanted a barn quilt on the restaurant because it's the barn shape of a barn.
Yeah.
And we just sat down one day, and my brother, we just kind of like, Andy and I were just brainstorming, and that's what we came up with.
Okay, so we got the restaurant over here,
yeah,
which is a completely new building, right?
Yeah, the
that you added.
was taken down.
And then what will go up here on the silo? Is that like a rooftop that I was reading about?
So yeah, so the first two is one floor, and then that second floor is open. So the first floor is 2 stories high, big vaulted ceiling.
Okay.
And then the third floor is the bathrooms. Then the fourth floor is all of the refrigeration, storage. Then the meeting room, and then the bar on the top.
Got it. Oh, that's gonna be great.
Yeah, and the bar on the top will be a geometric.
Oh yeah?
Glass.
Sure, that makes sense.
Like a silo. So that's really exciting because you'll be able to see just a beautiful sunset, and then there'll be doors. You can actually open it
to actually go outside.
Sliding,
Nice.
There's a big, the wall comes up to here.
Right. Will that be ready in the fall as well, or is that?
That will come together really fast
Okay.
once we get the roof on.
Got it.
Because they already have the designs all done.
Perfect.
So, but the silo, the cement one is just the stairs.
Okay.
Where the cow is.
Gotcha.
Okay. So see, the siding is like a silo.
Oh, it is.
You combine it with the
like a silo.
metal.
Here it is. Yeah. It's like a silo siding on the outside here. And then this is all for basically the banquet room.
Yeah.
The setup right here.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And then you said this will be grass over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
That tree's gonna stay. That's one of the original trees.
Okay.
There was a couple others to take out, and we're not sure how it's gonna be during the fall with all the leaves, but it won't be too bad.
And just doing a quick close-up of this part of the hotel that still is under construction. The outdoor pool here, that's actually the only one left from the Wintergreen Hotel. If you're familiar with the property, you might recall that there's really just more of a couple of kiddie things. And then it had the pool here. And this is all going to get redone. The pool will be reopened and ready for next year, all cleaned up, new paint, everything. And it will be ready for summer of 2026. The indoor pool is also not ready yet, as we talked about. They're just putting the final touches on that. But that will be ready this fall. And the hotel is open all year long. Okay, I'm walking into one of their family suites right now. And again, this just screams Wisconsin. Again, these beds just look so comfortable. Now, because I'm not staying here, I'm not gonna go touching them. I can't do the dive to see how the mattress is, but something tells me they're really comfortable. I mean, they're brand new beds, brand new mattresses. Everything in this building is new. The AC system, they redid all of the windows throughout. Everything that you can see is all brand new, as they took the old Wintergreen and brought it down to the studs and did a complete rebuild, basically. Check out this print on the wall with the hay on a Wisconsin farm field. Again, we've got our same fixture setup as we saw downstairs. They just carried that throughout the hotel, and it just fits perfectly. I've always loved those light up mirrors. They give off so much light. And the bathroom, a nice shower in there. Here he is again. I gotta get a picture of that. I mean, for my place. That would look great in my studio. So now we've got our dividing room here, the family room setup. And if you are here, maybe with some older kids, the teens or something, maybe one of the kids is just bringing a friend, just go through this little room, and voila, we are in another bedroom. Got the nice big bed over here. And just like we saw downstairs, you've got everything like the USB ports, you've got the electricity, the outlets on both sides of the nightstand, big TV up here as well. The new map of Wisconsin, I believe they had that in every room. Now, do you remember where we are? I showed you when we were downstairs. This might come back as a test. I love that. It's made of wood. The do not disturb sign. How many of these different, you said 50 different?
50 different images, yeah.
Wow. So every room there's probably only about, what, 2 rooms basically?
Yeah.
So this is the Two Rivers room. Again, the beautiful bed here and everything that I had mentioned a little earlier in the other rooms, and the big TV, the fridge, the USB ports. But I wanted to show one of the ADA rooms, and it is a perfect bathroom for the entire family. And if there is anybody that is in a wheelchair or what may have you, there are bars you will see everywhere, and plenty of room to move around in here as well. And of course, my favorite picture so far, the cow with the toilet paper. And just to show you, there's the bar setup as well. And this one is a tub then. So where are we? We're by the banquet room again. Okay. So when you come out of the banquet room, we got Chris Farley waving hello. I love that they've got these murals or these prints, all these pictures throughout the hotel. And there's over 50 types of different pictures, 117 rooms if I recall, and each room has its own picture. Well, there's basically, the pictures will repeat twice. So basically, if you're going to be staying at this hotel maybe a handful of times in the future, you may or may never see that same picture again. Of course, I'm talking about the picture in your room. And they do have laundry facilities here, so if you will be in Wisconsin for a period of time, doing a nice family trip here, you can take advantage of the guest laundry. Straight ahead is the indoor pool area, and that is still under renovation. This has to be one of the nicest stairwells I've ever seen.
And that's what, we were talking about where to put murals. And We have a printer.
Oh, sure.
Because
So you guys you printed your own then?
So we printed our own. And these are so pretty at night. Turn one.
Yeah, this is nice. From the silo restaurant and bar design outside to the rustic interior, the Wisconsin Hotel didn't overlook any details when they were creating this hotel. And as mentioned earlier in the video, at the time of recording this, mid-August of 2025, the silo restaurant and bar and the indoor pool is expected to open fall of 2025. I'd like to thank Holly again for taking the time to show me around the hotel. Looks like they're painting up there right now. Not sure if that's going to be another cow. Doesn't look like it. Maybe it will be. Like on the other side of the silo. There was a little bit of a delay on the construction, mainly just because of some of the steel that they were waiting for. It unfortunately just got kind of tied up and delayed, so construction delay, but now they're back on track. By the way, I do have their information linked in the description of this video, and here's their website address right there if you want to check that out, maybe make a reservation. If you do come over here and make a reservation, tell them I say hello. If you just happen to have an EV, well, you're in luck, because you can charge it up here at the Wisconsin Hotel. I can't say that I've ever seen an EV setup like this before. It tells you when you're connected. I'm not sure if you could watch the Packers or the Badgers on this screen. You'll probably have to ask the front desk that. Wouldn't that be something? Sit in your car while it's charging, watching a game. Well, there you go. The Wisconsin Hotel, right here in the water park capital of the world. What do you think of this place? If this place piqued your curiosity, and it really should, and the next time you're planning a trip to Wisconsin Dells, you should check it out. And if this video really kind of captured your attention on it, when you make the reservation, tell them you heard about it from me. I would appreciate that. So now's the time for you to subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed, because I've got more videos on this channel about Wisconsin Dells than any other YouTuber on their channel. Plus, I'd hate for you to miss out on my other reviews and my attractions and all the other silly vlogs that we do. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and please give this video a like. I would appreciate that. That helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Well, that's going to do it right here at the Wisconsin Hotel and the Farmer in the Dells restaurant, which is coming very soon. You'll see me on the next one. Thanks for watching.